welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make ice cream cone cupcakes. It's easy, fun to make, melt-free, perfect for parties. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cream the butter in a bowl. Add granulated sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix well until white and creamy. Add 1 beaten egg little by little and mix well. Sift in all-purpose flour and baking powder and mix lightly. Add milk and a few drops of vanilla extract. Mix well but do not overmix. Using a piping bag is easy when you put the batter into cupcake cups. You can use any cones and cupcake cups available. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm going to use icing, which you can make with only water. I bought these at Seria 100yen shop. Allow cupcakes to cool completely and put into cones. Put icing on top. Finish with sugar toppings. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Pink.
오시?明日もアイスクリーム作るの？
バイバイ。手のとわろ今。ここ？次はミ